Today I'm going to show you an Elementor add-on that lets you add advanced animations to your website without writing any code.
Animation Addons.
We call plugin Animation Addons.
The Animation Addons for Elementor.
Animation Addons.
You cannot add advanced GSAP animations to your Elementor websites because it needs a lot of advanced JavaScript code and logic.
Adding GSAP animations to a WordPress website, Elementor website, can be a nightmare.
All I have to do is to click on this option right here that says import. Alright, so there you go. It says your website is now imported and ready to use. There you go. Here we have the template already added to our website.
So you can, for example, say, I want to animate this word by word, and you can see a preview in the Elementor editor. There's even a play button. If you enable on editor, you can play it as many times as you want. Instead of word, let's do text move. Okay, that's a little bit dramatic. What about text reveal? And that is really cool.
Imagine I recreated this GSAP animation on the Elementor homepage without writing a single line of code. And then save changes. There we go.
I'm going to scroll down. Let's select this first box. Let's go to advanced and then animation. We've got a 3D move, which is really nice. Let's try the back. So here we are. Let's scroll down. Wow, I like it.
I also added on our buttons animation as well. Yeah, so we have a fade animation and on scroll, and it looks really interesting. You cannot see the buttons, which is pretty cool. Okay, there you go. And once you scroll, the buttons appear. I love them, clients love them, everyone loves them.